Since nag-issue na ng waiver si Ronaldin Baterna doon sa checking account that according to her, yung checking account na yon, lahat ng mga cheque, pinirmahan niya, ibinigay niya sa iyo. And that was testified by Ronaldin Baterna. So hawak mo lahat ng mga cheque, control mo na yung checking account. So ang tanong ko sa iyo, millions of pesos entered that checking account. Kani-kanino mo inisyo ang mga checking ito? Okay, ulitin ko, Cassie. Simple lang to. Merong checking account si Ronaldin Baterna. And she told us that mag-i-issue siya ng waiver. So in other words, makikita na namin yung through AMLAC, makikita na natin yung mga laman, kung sino mga nag-issue, sino ang pumasok na pera. So in other words, yung checking yon ibinigay niya sa iyo, signed by her. So in other words, control mo yung checking yon. So ngayon tanong, sino-sino ang mga inisyuhan mo ng mga checking yon for many years and for many millions that entered that checking account? And remember, you told me through text, ayaw mo maipit doon sa mga nag-uumpugang mga malalaking mga bato. So tell us, sino yung mga taong ito na binigyan mo ng cheque?
Okay, pwede na po magsalita. Regarding naman po sa mga cheque is, I think kung hindi po nagkakamali sa mga rental po siya, ng mga house po or condo. Yeah. Pero
Rentals
if
na?
million, I'm not
Oo.
sure po.
Kasi, Cassandra, no, millions of pesos ang dumaan doon sa checking account. And aside from that, how many bank accounts do you have? Be truthful,
We'll
Cassie.
double check it po.
10? You have 10 accounts? More than 10?
Parang wala siya sa 10.
Mga
I'm not sure po eh.
8? 7? 6?
I'm really sorry
5,
po.
4?
Hindi ko pa talaga siya
Okay.
sure.
Wait. Kasi we will be able to find out because the waiver was signed. Ronaldin, were you able to sign the waiver?
Na-sign ko na po.
So kung na-sign na niya yung waiver, so makikita na natin ang lahat ng laman nun. So we're giving you a chance to tell us. Sabi mo kasi kanina, meron kang mga iniiwasan. So we wanted to find out who are these people. Meron bang mga politiko? Meron bang mga drug dealers? Meron bang malalaking mga Chinese personalities? Ha? Sige, okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Boss. Okay, thank you so much. Sige, Cassie, what?
Regarding po sa bank account, wala na po akong bank account pala. Pwede na po siya.
Cassie,
Yes po.
baka mabago yung damdamin ko sa'yo. Ang sinasabi ko, during that time, di ba, kahit sabihin mong wala ka ng bank account ngayon, before that you were executive assistant of the Lucky South 99 since 2019. And then now that you are the beneficial owner of the Whirlwind Corporation with 58% ownership, are you going to sign a waiver?
To proof na wala na po akong account.
Na wala ka ng account. No,
Yes.
we're not asking that. What we are asking is that you're going to sign a waiver telling us that we can check yung mga inisyuhan mo mga cheque sa mga personalities that involved in that Porac Pogo. Attorney Capasio. Are you willing to waive for all your bank accounts para makita natin ang lahat ng inyong transactions? Kasi we are talking about, kasi nagsimula ka na ng being truthful. Kanina, actually, we are all amazed, ha? Dahil you can speak truly, eh. And now, nagkakaroon ka ng apprehension. Don't. Wag. Kasi the trust is with you right now. So, ituloy mo lang, please. Sige, go ahead.
Point of order, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Are we who's the resource person? Because I'm getting confused.
Okay, the point of order of Congressman Suarez is he is asking who is the resource person. Is it the council?
Yes, because
Or Miss
I
Cassandra?
think the question was directed to Ms. Ong, and yet it seems like there's somebody else answering the question. So can I just please be informed as to who's supposed to answer the question, Mr. Chair?
Okay, please, we'd like to ask Attorney Topacio to refrain from feeding the answers to Ms. Cassie Ong. And before we ask Congressman Fernandez to proceed, there's a short, very, very short interjection by the Senior Deputy Speaker, Don Gonzales. You are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Miss Cassandra Ong, ngayon wala ka ng account, di ba? Previously, in siguro past 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, ano ang ginagamit mong account name? Your name, the corporation, how many?
Meron pong name ko.
Oo
Meron
nga,
pong
kung
corporation.
Okay,
Meron din po yung kay Ronaldin
okay.
Baterna.
Tatlo, okay.
I think yun lang po.
Tatlo. So,
Opo.
number 1, your personal account.
Yes po.
Number 2, the corporation, the corporate account.
Yes.
What is the name of your corporate account?
Wordwin.
Wordwin
Po.
Wordwin. Number 3, kay Baterna.
Yes. Can I explain kung bakit kay Baterna po?
Please.
Kasi I think yung mga checking niya is sa rental lang po. Kasi sometimes wala po ako sa Pilipinas. So para mas maging siya yung pinapaano ko ng mga check. Pero makikita niyo rin po naman yan dahil nag-sign naman po siya ng waiver.
In your recollection,
Rental po ng mga
no. In your recollection, nung nag-i-issue ka ng cheque at nung nag-wire ka ng pera, magkano yung pinakamalaking dineposit mo? From corporation, from personal to other person, or to other corporations?
We'll double check it po. I'm not sure about that po.
Sa iyong pag-iisip, siyempre kung mag-issue ka ng cheque, magde-deposit ka ng pera, ballpark figure, para at least meron lang kaming idea.
Much better na lang po i-check ko muna, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, kasi the waiver that was issued by Ronaldin Baterna for the AMLAC to see all the bank transactions. So the waiver that you are trying to secure from us is the waiver of that you don't have an account anymore. Yun ang sinasabi ng kanina ni Attorney Topacio. Am I right?